Jumping right into the unboxing, we have Nothing's latest audio product, the Ear Open. These use open sound and clear voice technologies, promising an immersive sound experience, keeping you blissfully aware of your surroundings. In the box, you'll get some documentation, toss that aside, a white Nothing USB-C cable, and removing the paper, we have the Ear Open. The case here is very minimal in terms of footprint, and it's also very sleek in terms of design. Right out of the box, these are incredibly weightless. They absolutely live up to the brand name Nothing, as they feel like nothing. Super light in the hand. It's crazy that in such an incredibly compact, ultra-thin form factor, Nothing managed to pack a custom driver in these to reduce distortion and provide deeper lows. The Nothing X app makes it very easy to pair these with really any device. So if you have iOS or Android, doesn't really matter. It's going to be super simple to set these up using the Nothing X app. Not only that, once you do get these paired and set up, which again, as you can see here, is an absolute breeze, you do get a slew of customization options. So not only can you control the overall sound if you want to just use their standard equalizer, there is a custom equalizer to get an even more customized sound profile for these. And you can save those profiles, share those sound profiles. It's really cool. You can also adjust all the touch controls. Again, the app is very intuitive and it's super nice. You can also add a quick widget from the app to your home screen like I am here on my Nothing Phone 2A. And as you can see, just a really cool way to see your overall battery percentage. It's a real holistic experience across the board. Okay, since unboxing these back when they launched, I gravitate towards the Ear Open more than any other Nothing ear products and even more than my AirPods. I love that while these open up the world around me, they provide a bass heavy sound I enjoy with clarity you often only get in more expensive options. Also, I really enjoy the weightlessness that these provide. Going back to that Nothing branding, they live up to it here. These feel like nothing. I forget I have them on all the time. And all environments, these have been great. Like a loud coffee shop, the grocery store, for example. I quite literally bring these everywhere I go. They're in my car, they're in my pocket all the time. With an IP54 water and dust resistance, I can confidently bring them anywhere. Battery is great, but I do wish the case had wireless charging, which is a little bit unfortunate. But the price is pretty solid, and right now you can get these for $129, which is just an absolute steal for these. In a market packed with choices, the Nothing Ear Open earbuds managed to carve out a niche, delivering an intriguing mix of style, situational awareness, and innovative features like ChatGPT integration. The battery's great. You get USB-C charging here, which is really nice to see. I do wish it had that wireless charging on the back of the case, like I mentioned, but the case is sturdy, it's sleek, it looks great, and while the sound quality might not rival in-ear options or more expensive competitors, it shines in its practicality, perfect for those who value staying connected to their environment. The striking transparent design, the ultra thin, insanely lightweight build, coupled with a user friendly app with advanced equalizers, make them an exciting addition to Nothing's growing portfolio. So, whether you're navigating a busy city, working from home, or just embracing their unique vibe, the Ear Open offers something truly different. For under $150, $129, like I mentioned right now, it's clear that Nothing is onto something. I've used these for at home, personal use, in the car, on the go. I've used them heavily for work as well. And most people haven't noticed a difference between the microphone on this and some of my professional microphones that I use for recording these videos. So the audio quality from these is just excellent. And I've been incredibly impressed with this overall design and build. There's really not a lot of negatives here, especially considering the price point. But let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Did you pick these up? Are you interested in these? Do you have any questions? Certainly let me know in those comments down below. I, for one, cannot wait to see what Nothing does next. As always, thank you for watching, take care, and stay safe.